Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to restore Snapchat snap streaks without paying. For this guys, first of all, go to your Snapchat app and open your app. Now just go to your profile, the upper left corner icon, and then from here you will click on settings, and from here scroll down, and here under the support we have I need help. Just click on it, and then in shortcuts you can see we have I lost my snap streak. Just click on it, and then you just need to click on I lost my snap streak, how do I restore it? Now just need to scroll down the article, and on this you need to press on cross, and after this click on first option and then submit. Now just go to contact us, and here I lost my snap streak, and then scroll down, and how do I restore my snap streak? Click on it, and this is the paragraph. You can now restore your snap streak in the app. If you recently lost your snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore. To do this one-time free restore, just click on this here, and now you can see you have Android, iOS or desktop. Just click on your device type and start downloading the data. This will restore your snap streak. That's it from today's video guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.